in my life, our paths crossed, and we were together. For we may never pass this way again. Never fall for a single mistake. It is just a test. How far can you go? Now that we have gone this far, let us all wish ourselves good luck. Let us all strive for a better future. Realize that our goal is ahead of us, to dream on and to nurture as we envision them to be. Prepare from the big lift, from our childish days to a more responsible, mature adulthood. Let us not be overwhelmed by the freedom and independence that are bestowed.
Nag-o-meeting po ako dyan. Banggitin ko na lang po. Teacher Maricel, Teacher Al, other faculties and staff of Morningstar Montessori, thank you for being the foster parents of our children for the last 6 to 8 years. It's been a pleasure to have been partners with you in making sure that our children get the best quality education. Parents, grandparents, class of 2008, ladies and gentlemen, I am not here to deliver a sermon for a Sunday Mass, as that is Father Thor's turf, nor be another June Losada to testify before the Senate. Nandito po ako ngayon para magbigay lang po ng konting mensahe para sa ating next generation of leaders and professionals. Alam ko, ang karamihan sa inyo ay bitin pa sa Holy Week break. At sana ay nasa beach pa o nasa MOA. At nag-enjoy sa init ng araw kung hindi nasa aircon na MOA. Marami pa sigurong nagbubulungan sa katabi nyo ngayon. Sana matapos na ang speech na ito, gutom na ako, uwi na ako. Kayo ba ay naging mapait mula preschool o born to be pasaway forever? Kahit papano, alam ko mamimiss ninyo mga teachers nyo, classmates, at syempre yung iba dyan, yung mga class nyo. Mamimiss nyo din ang quiz bee, ang family day, ang foundation day, linggo ng wika, at iba pa. Nang graduate ako ng elementary decades ago, huwag nyo nang bilangin pa. Masaya na ako at sa wakas, natapos na rin ako ng high school. Simple lang ang buhay namin noon. Medyo corny nga lang ang mga laro namin. Piko, patintero, tumbang preso, Jolens, turong po at text. Hindi yung text ngayon, yung text na parang cards. Di pa uso ang multitasking tulad ng cell at text sa kanilang kamay, YM, Friendster, Game Boy, PlayStation sa kanilang kamay. Bago pa man ako mag-kinder, ang mission ko na maging doktor. Natupad naman ang pangarap ko at naging doktor ako. Hindi masamang managinip, hindi rin bawal mag-ambisyon. May share ako sa inyo isang short story. Sandali lang to, hindi to kasing haba na 7th book ng Harry Potter. No? May isang taga Montessori sa may Green Hills, San Juan na nakipagsapalaan. 7 years old pa lang siya, mahilig na siyang kumanta. 12 years old pa lang, nag-host na siya ng sariling TV show. Pero hindi siya nakontento sa role nito. Noong 1988, may isang sikat na producer ng Broadway at West End musicals, si Sir Cameron Mackintosh, na naglusad ng worldwide search para sa multi-million musical production. Isa-isa nag-audition ang mga libo-libong mga Pilipino. At isa na dito, kilala niyo ba kung sino siya ang nag-audition sa Miss Saigon na to? Tama kayo, siya si Lea Salonga. Naging successful sa London at Broadway ang Miss Saigon at dahil sa kanyang husay pagkanta at pagganap, hindi lang isa kundi dalawa ang natanggap na award ni Lea Salonga. Sir Laurence Olivier Award for Best Actress in a Musical at Tony Awardee Best Female Performer. Ngayon, siya ay isang world-class performer. Marami pang ibang Pinoys at Pinays na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating bansa. Tulad ni Ramiel Malube, ika nga, na nasa top 10 ngayon ng American Idol. Malay nyo, siya ang first Filipino-American Idol. Kaya mag-text vote kayo sa kanya kahit makisipulpusan ka na kayo sa mga kamag-anak mo sa States. And it all started with a simple dream. Kayo, gusto niyo ba maging tulad ni Leia o ni Ramiel? Gusto niyo ba maging doktor, computer engineer o sikat na chef? O kaya general? Hindi masamang manangilit. Kung nais ninyong matupad ang mga pangarap, just remember the word SMARTER. Spell it S-M-A-R-T-E-R. SMARTER. S means set your goals early on. M, be motivated. A, always have a positive attitude. R, respect other people at all times, especially your parents, grandparents, your brothers and sisters, teachers, elderly people, and friends. You owe it to them. D, try your best. Always give it your best shot. E, excel in anything you do or plan to achieve. R, be religious. With God, nothing is impossible. What are the letters again you should all remember to be successful? S, M, A, R, T, E, R. Very good. Ang galing din limang spelling, no? I'd like to quote an anonymous author. You are the greatest gift. There is nothing you can't do. No one can keep you from dreaming. Only you can stop them from coming true. Your achievements are determined by the desire that you possess. Believe in who you are. Believe in what you do. It's not a chance of fate. It's strictly up to you. MSI class of 2008, you are all destined to become great. We parents are all proud of you. Congratulations, and may God bless you all.